Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back at it with another vlog. Today I have to bake a cheesecake. I also have to package a couple of orders, wrap some gifts, and label some jars. That's what I have to do. So yeah, you can just watch me as I do that today. And it's Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas Eve. Even though you're not gonna see this Christmas Eve or Christmas probably next week Sunday, but at least you're gonna see it. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap these up and get back to you soon. And I have my vlog uploading over there, and I'm gonna watch Clarence and Queen. Yeah, that's the one. Now I'm just gonna print their packing slips, or I don't know what it's called, and bag them. And that's it. I'm all done packaging up these scrubs, this one too, and I'm just gonna package them up now. And yeah, the last video I was telling you guys about how I didn't like the bags I had, so I got some new ones. They didn't have the old ones I had. I was really sad about it, but it's okay. I got these ones. They're cute or whatever. Now I'm going to add the thumbnail to the video and schedule it for Sunday at 6 o'clock. And that's it. Boom. My brother just brought me a roti, so I'm gonna eat that. So don't look at me. Anything else to say?
No, you're looking at me.
No, you're looking at me.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll make some ackee.
Ew.
You don't want ackee?
No.
No? Okay. No ackee. I'll just make color.
Yes. Call the lip. This roti is so good.
Salema. This is my way. I'm gonna catch a rotted one on a musket catch.
That was extremely good. I definitely couldn't have finished. I could have finished it, but I know I'm gonna be hungry later, so I will eat it later. Self-control. I just saw a spider and hell no. Where'd it go? It was a white one. My mother wants me to make a cheesecake, so I'm gonna start doing that now. So we start off with the graham cracker base. I'll do that and then I'll come back. This was so annoying to do, like trying to pack it all even and stuff. Yikes, like I stopped caring. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes. So, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. All right. Now I'm about to start with the actual filling with the cream cheese and shit. So I'm gonna do that. Mix it all up. Show you guys. Yeah, now you get it. Got it. Good. all done making the cheesecake. I just gotta put it in the oven now, and yeah. It is currently, I don't know, like 10, 11 o'clock. I'm going to Rio's house because I have extra batter, and I'm gonna make them into cupcakes. So catch you when I get home. I don't know if I actually said it, but I'm going to Rio's house to go get some cupcake liners because I don't have any. Because I could drive there and vlog. She literally lives, you'll see. I'm leaving my house right now, and I'll be at Rio's house in 10 seconds. The sound that this car makes. And I'm here. My sister asked me to blow dry her hair, right? And apparently I was going too rough, so now she's doing it herself. You want to say anything?
Just joking. I think gassy.
Say it again.
Leah's just a baking. Tastes good.
Mm-hmm, I bet it does.
Yikes.
This
This has whipped cream in it. Or sour cream. That's what makes it more light. But you did
Yeah, I
job.
did that.
I would pay for this.
I know you would.
Whoa, Dimitri ain't got nothing on you.
Nothing.
That's why it's steak.
No,
Dimitri got nothing on you, Leah? You can bake your ass off.
thank you. This video was probably hella boring, but thank you for watching anyways. Maybe my next video will be more entertaining because I didn't really do anything. So, good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the niggas bite. I gotta say something different. That's absolutely foul. Good night. Like, comment, subscribe.